Friends, have you ever wished your AI could actually remember you? Not just respond to prompts, but truly understand your work, your habits, and your goals. Well, that's exactly what HaloMate AI does. I'm Daniel, and today we're diving into one of the most advanced AI platforms I've tested. It's a tool that completely redefines what it means to work with artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll see how HaloMate helps you build a personal assistant that truly evolves alongside you. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Let's jump right in. HaloMate isn't just another chatbot. It's an intelligent ecosystem built for those who want true collaboration with AI. Inside the platform, you build your own team of mates, intelligent assistants with unique traits and roles. You might have a research mate for studies, a marketing mate for campaigns, or a health mate that tracks your habits over time. Each one remembers what's important to you, making it feel less like software and more like a real teammate. That's the foundation of the tool. But let's see how it all comes together once you start using it. Folks, the website looks modern and clearly built for real work. Everything runs directly inside the chat, clean, simple, and focused. HaloMate immediately highlights what makes it different: a unified space powered by top AI models. It also allows you to build your own team of personalized assistants, called mates. They handle different tasks, but work together as one system. You also get autopilot for autonomous online research, plus a straightforward pricing page with a free plan to start. The FAQ covers all the essentials if you need clarity along the way, and once you hit start for free, setup begins instantly with quick logins through Google or Apple. Friends, once I'm inside HaloMate, the first thing you notice is that you're not just creating a simple assistant, you're building a team of AI specialists. I already have several mates set up, each serving a different role in my workflow. I can pin any of them for quick access or open their settings to adjust how they operate. When I open a mate, HaloMate shows a full configuration panel. Here I control how the assistant thinks and behaves, its role, expertise, and communication style. It feels like shaping a teammate who works the way you need. Below that, I can enable auto memory, letting the assistant learn my preferences automatically as we collaborate. Further down, guys, I can refine its working style, activate advanced capabilities, and adjust how proactive it should be. Everything is editable at any point, making the system very flexible. HaloMate also includes MateHub, a library of assistants created by other users. They span a wide range of specialties, from technical to creative and analytical. You can choose one that matches your workflow and start using it immediately, or use them as inspiration for your own. Opening any of them shows how the mate is designed to work, including its reasoning approach and communication style. If it fits, I can add it to my workspace with one click and tailor it as needed. And now, folks, let's create a mate from scratch. The workflow most users will rely on when they need a highly personalized assistant. It begins with naming and defining its purpose, and the interface keeps the setup straightforward. Here I'm building my market research analyst. Each mate starts with several core elements. The name defines its role, the introduction outlines its mission, and the persona shapes how it reasons, analyzes information, and handles complex tasks. Auto memory brings personalization into the workflow. With it enabled, the assistant gradually learns your tone, preferred depth, and the types of outputs you use most, improving the more you work together. Friends, the model selector gives you flexibility to choose between engines, depending on whether you need stronger reasoning, a more narrative tone, or quicker ideation. And if you switch models later, HaloMate keeps the full context, nothing resets. The style slider controls the tone, while capabilities define what the assistant can actually do. Time awareness keeps it aligned with the current context. Advanced visualization enables charts and structured visuals inside the chat. Creative composing expands its ability to generate more complex formats. And autopilot is especially key for research-focused mates. With it enabled, the assistant can run multi-step tasks independently, source information online, and deliver structured findings without constant prompting. It functions as an autonomous researcher rather than just a reactive tool. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content I make. Folks, once everything is defined, the mate is ready to work. From here, all controls are available directly inside the workspace. I can reopen its settings, manage memories, create new assistants, or return to the Mate Hub without leaving the page. Before running a task, I can fine-tune the assistant for the current session. HaloMate lets me upload files, toggle advanced features like visual generation or autonomous actions, and enable online access when I need up-to-date information. These options help tailor the assistant's abilities to whatever I'm working on. Friends, I can also switch between different AI engines at any moment. The Mate keeps its personality and instructions, while the underlying model can change, depending on whether I need stronger analysis, faster ideation, or a more expressive tone. When I send a request, the assistant processes it immediately, and if the task involves visuals, HaloMate can generate charts, structured breakdowns, or other interactive elements directly inside the chat. Any generated content comes with flexible controls. I can preview it, save it, export it, copy the underlying code, or hide it entirely if I just want the final answer. The same applies to written output. Each block can be edited, removed, downloaded, or reused in other work guides. For the next request, I switch to another AI engine. The Mate stays the same, but the style and depth of its reasoning adjust instantly. And that flexibility is the whole point. You're not locked into one model or one way of thinking. You choose what you need in the moment. HaloMate isn't trying to replace your work, it enhances it. It gives you a team of AIs that think independently, but work together for you. A real digital crew that adapts to your workflow, remembers your goals, and helps you move from ideas to results faster. Whether you're building projects, writing research, or managing data, the instrument feels like a long-term partner that grows alongside you. It's not just another AI app, it's the foundation for how collaboration with artificial intelligence should feel. Friends, you can check it out at HaloMate AI. The link's in the description below, where you might also find some useful resources. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.